Allicin or aged garlic is an organosulfur compound. It has three major components generally, which is DATS, DADS, and DAS. Obviously, I've abbreviated those. Now, in supplements, you mainly find DATS, which is dial trisulfide. Now, we want to make sure that we're getting allicin. We want to make sure that we're getting a good quality aged garlic. Some of the better brands are Alamed and Alamax Pro, and we're looking for 450 milligram tabs. Some of the major benefits of allicin or aged garlic is it's really good around excessively high fasting triglycerides and elevation in things like LDL cholesterol, but also if there's an elevation in LDL particles, and that would be things like LDL particle number 1, LDL particle number 3. We've got to remember that a raise in LDL particles or LDL particles are a better predictor of cardiovascular risk than the raise in like LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol. And also, allicin is really good for excess amounts of methane. It's really good around methanobacterium or methane-producing bacteria, which can actually slow the transit time of food down by 59%, so you get more constipated. So it's really good around Archaebacteria. Now, a lot of these bacterial strains can make up SIBO, small intestinal bacterial overgrowth. So now also it's an amazing blood thinner, so it's really good for circulation. A lot of that research was actually done on just a clove of garlic, so it's going to be even more significant for a good quality allicin or aged garlic. Also, it can actually help with the healing of like stomach ulcers. It's got benefits around Helicobacter or H. pylori, which is negative gram-bacterial overgrowth in your stomach lining. It's got some antifungal properties, so it can be reasonably good around things like candida and yeast. There can be a bit of minor collateral damage to beneficial flora, but it's not significant. And it's also good around some pathogenic strains of positive gram bacteria, and that includes strains like Staphylococcus aureus or MRSA, okay, which is like multi-drug resistant. So as you can see, okay, like something like if you do have like an elevation in things like fasting triglycerides and LDL cholesterol, LDL particles, yeah, okay, well, definitely allicin or aged garlic is one of the best compounds you can use around that.